Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money from PayPal, how you can transfer your money from PayPal to your bank account. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video so that it reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. Now guys, you're going to open up your PayPal account. Scroll down, then guys scroll down and press up here on transfer money. Press on transfer money. Then guys, you are going to link a bank account. You are going to link your bank account, or maybe you're going to link your credit card. You're going to link your card or your bank account. If you have an ATM card, it's easier. You're going to press here on link a card. Make sure I press on link a card right here. Then guys, you're going to enter your credit card. You're going to enter your credit card. Make sure you enter the right security code and the right card number guys. Make sure you enter the right security code and the right card number. Then guys, I'm done linking my credit card. Now I'm going to press here. I'm going to press here on done. Press on next. Make sure I press on next down there. Now guys, my account balance on PayPal is $49.32. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter the amount I want to withdraw. Now I want to withdraw $40. So I'm going to enter $40. Then guys, I'm going to press on next and I transfer $40 from my PayPal account to my bank account. Now guys, this is the transfer review. You can take a look that before withdrawing, you can take a look here. PayPal takes some fee. PayPal charges when you are withdrawing. The charge is a little bit bigger, as you can see right there. I'm only transferring $40, but they have charged 18k Ugandan shillings. They charge much, but anyway, nothing to do. Now you can take a look at the transfer rate. The transfer rate is right there guys, right there. So guys, you can take a look also at the money I'm going to get. This is the money I'm going to get. So guys, that's it. After I scroll down here, you scroll down here and press on transfer now. You press down there on transfer now. Now guys, you can take a look. I'm done transferring my money from my PayPal account to my bank account. That's how you can do it guys. It's not hard. Many people, you have failed transferring money from PayPal to your bank account. Follow those steps, you will make it guys. Don't forget to like the video guys so that it reaches out to everyone who needs this information. Many people need this information but they don't know where to find it. So guys, make sure you like it. Make sure you like the video and share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss videos like this one. See you in the next video guys.